Performance testing is like putting your website or app through a rigorous obstacle course. It's about pushing the limits to see how it holds up under pressure. We're talking about simulating thousands, even millions of users interacting with your system at the same time. Will your website crash under the strain? Performance testing helps answer that question. By identifying bottlenecks and vulnerabilities, you can ensure a smooth and seamless experience for your users, even during peak traffic. In today's digital landscape, where speed and reliability are paramount, performance testing is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity.
The primary purpose of performance testing is to uncover any weaknesses or limitations in your system's performance. It goes beyond simply finding bugs. It's about evaluating how efficiently your system handles various loads and stresses. Think of it as a stress test for your website or app. This allows us to identify potential bottlenecks that could impact user experience. By proactively identifying and addressing these performance bottlenecks, you can ensure that your system remains stable, reliable, and responsive even under the most demanding conditions.
To conduct effective performance testing, it's essential to adhere to 3 fundamental principles. These principles ensure that your tests are realistic, reliable, and provide actionable insights. First, your testing environment should closely mirror your production environment. This means using the same hardware, software, network configurations, and even data as your live system. Next, it's crucial to use realistic test data. Populate your test database with data that closely resembles your production environment. Finally, simulate realistic user behavior. This includes the types of actions users perform, the frequency of those actions, and the number of users accessing the system concurrently. Your performance tests should mimic these actions and patterns. By adhering to these principles, you can ensure that your performance tests are accurate, reliable, and provide meaningful insights.
Section 4. Performance testing in action. Let's break down how performance testing plays out in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're launching a new e-commerce website. You want to ensure it can handle the traffic surge during a big sale. First, gather your team to brainstorm potential performance bottlenecks. Consider user stories like a customer browsing products, adding to cart, and checking out. Ensure the website can handle 10,000 concurrent users during the sale. Track page load times, transaction success rates, and server resource utilization. Conduct load tests on the home page, product pages, and checkout process. Simulate users browsing, searching, adding to cart, and completing purchases. Define typical user journeys from homepage to checkout. Gradually increase load to 10,000 users during the test. Simulate users from different geographic locations. After the tests, analyze the results thoroughly. Identify any bottlenecks or areas where the system struggled to keep up with the simulated load.
Section 5. Evaluation and control in performance testing. Evaluating the results of your performance tests is just as crucial as conducting the tests themselves. This phase involves analyzing the data collected during testing to identify bottlenecks, optimize performance, and ensure your system can handle the expected load. Start by reviewing the key performance indicators, or KPIs, you defined during the planning stage. These metrics provide insights into how well your system performed under different load conditions. Once you've identified potential issues, it's time to investigate the root causes. The goal is to pinpoint the bottlenecks that are hindering performance and then develop strategies to address them.
Section 6. Conclusion. A holistic approach to a performance testing. Performance testing is not a one-time event but an ongoing process. As your system evolves and user demands change, it's essential to continuously monitor and optimize performance. By embracing a holistic approach to performance testing, you can ensure that your system remains fast, reliable and scalable, providing a seamless and enjoyable experience for your users. It's about delivering exceptional user experiences and staying ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced digital landscape.